I'm Joanne Bauer with Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. Welcome to the pinnacle of high-rise luxury living here at the coveted Scottsdale Waterfront Residences, where your exclusive, elevated lifestyle and five-star amenities await. 703 is an end-unit residence offering a rare 900 square foot terrace, your private front row seat to Arizona's iconic sunsets, Camelback Mountain, and twinkling city lights. Inside, you'll find over 3,100 square feet of sophisticated living space. The open concept great room flows into a gourmet kitchen where Viking appliances, rich custom cabinetry, island seating, and a stylish coffee bar all create the perfect setting for entertaining or challenging your culinary skills. Step out onto a second private balcony and take in those Camelback Mountain views all over again. Throughout the home, custom built-ins and extensive storage solutions provide both beauty and functionality. The bedrooms are thoughtfully separated from the main living space with 2 guest ensuite bedrooms. The primary retreat features fabulous built-in cabinetry and those dreamy views. Flooded with natural light, the spacious executive office is wonderfully appointed and leads directly to the terrace. At Scottsdale Waterfront Residences, every detail is curated for effortless luxury. Enjoy 24/7 concierge and valet service, a state-of-the-art fitness center and massage rooms, an elegant club and dining room, plus wine storage and a business center. And when it's time to unwind or entertain, head to the Rooftop Oasis, featuring a chef's kitchen, resort-style pool and spa, and a 360-degree view deck that will take your breath away. Walk out of the opulent and secure lobby to the best of Scottsdale's fine dining, luxury shopping, art, and culture, all right on your doorstep. This isn't simply a home. This is truly the summit of the Scottsdale lifestyle. I'm Joanne Bauer with Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. For your private tour, simply reach out. I'd be honored to be of service.